This Chinese chicken stir-fry is loaded with lots of veggies with a simple flavorful sauce. I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you how to make a Chinese chicken and snow pea stir-fry. We will be ready to eat in less than 30 minutes. Stay tuned. I have a pound of boneless chicken breast that I cut into 1-inch pieces and about 1/8 of an inch thick. I'm adding in a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, or you can use rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Giving that a good mix and letting it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes, and that's time enough to prep all my vegetables. For the sauce, I have 1 cup of chicken broth, and I added a half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon to boost the flavor, and this is optional. I have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for some color, and I use a mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance, and you can use brown sugar or palm sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch as a thickener, and finally a half a teaspoon of sesame oil, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. Just remember to stir the sauce real good before adding to the stir fry because the cornstarch will settle to the bottom. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this Chinese chicken and snow pea stir fry below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. I have everything prepped and we are ready to cook. In my wok on high heat, I added enough oil to coat the bottom of the wok. Make sure your pan or wok is hot before adding the oil. Now I'm adding the chicken, spreading out and letting it cook for about 15 to 20 seconds before stirring. This helps prevent sticking. Cooking and stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken is done, and then I'm removing the chicken from the pan. I'm turning my heat down to a medium to medium high, adding in a little more oil, the minced garlic and ginger, the whites of garden onions, and 1 small can of sliced water chestnuts that I rinsed and drained. Cooking and stirring for a minute. This is really starting to smell good. Here I have 1 small diced red bell pepper and 1/4 of a green bell pepper. I'm just using what I have. Cooking and stirring for another minute. I love snow peas. I love the flavor, the bright color, the freshness, and the crunch that they add to a stir fry. I have a good 2 cups of fresh snow peas that I rinsed and trimmed the ends. Another vegetable in season that adds lots of texture and color is yellow squash. I'm adding in 1 cup. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes or until the veggies start to soften. I want a good bit of crunch left. I'm adding in some whole red chilies for some heat. I'm keeping them whole so they don't overpower the stir fry, but still add a little background heat. Adding the chicken and all the juices back into the wok, stirring to combine. We are almost done. I have my heat on medium-high. I'm adding in the greens of the garden onions and pouring over that delicious sauce. Giving everything a good stir and the sauce will start to thicken. It smells amazing and we are so ready to eat. This Chinese chicken and snow pea stir fry is so easy and good. A delicious night-week dinner that you can have ready in 30 minutes, and a great way to use those vegetables, which I think is the highlight of this stir-fry. Lots of individual flavors with the snow peas, the water chestnuts, and the bell peppers. The chicken is nice and tender, and the simple Chinese sauce with the garlic and ginger gives everything a burst of flavor. Serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice and garnishing with chopped green onions. I hope you give this Chinese chicken and snow pea stir-fry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!